Alright, so skimming your partner's back in the pancake with a roll-up aerial. So a lot of people, so if this is the flyer coming in, most of the people, flyer dives, this is their back hips coming up, smacks the leader, because what they're doing, rock step, is they're just kind of like passively here waiting for the incoming hips hooking, and then the flyer smacks the hips up, you get the bump, not as smooth as you want it. So what I'm going to advocate is that as the flyer dives in, the base, the lead, is looking at the angle of the incoming back, and they're actually trying to get like their upper torso and arms reaching for the partner, so that hopefully as they're coming in, you can skim the back and then be able to translate that energy upwards and then have a good pop. So that if you can look at that incoming angle, you'll have more of a skim, less impact. All right, rock step. So as I'm coming in, like my hips are backing off so I can adjust the angle of my back. So I'm trying to have as much, as little space between my partner's incoming back and my chest as possible so that smack doesn't happen. So again, I'm just watching that angle and I'm reaching in, and then as they come in, I'm translating all that energy upwards. So hopefully that helps.